Hello everyone, welcome back to Tabassum English Hub. Today is day 10 of our 30 days spoken English challenge, and today's class is going to be very interesting because today we will talk about hobbies, likes and dislikes, favorite things, simple conversations. Today you will learn how to talk naturally in English. So speak with me loudly and confidently. Let's begin. First, let's learn some common hobbies. Listen and repeat. Reading books, watching movies, playing cricket, dancing, singing, cooking, listening to music, traveling, drawing, gardening. That's good. Now let's make simple sentences. My hobby is reading books. Repeat. My hobby is reading books. I like listening to music. I like listening to music. I love playing cricket. I love playing cricket. I enjoy cooking. I enjoy cooking. Come on with confidence. I like watching movies in my free time. Come on with confidence. I like watching movies in my free time. I like watching movies in my free time. Good. Now let's learn questions. What is your hobby? What is your hobby? What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? Do you like music? Do you like music? What is your favorite game? What is your favorite game? Do you like cooking? One more time. Do you like cooking? Good. Now let's answer them. What is your hobby? My hobby is dancing. Do you like music? You can say, yes, I do, or you can reply, no, I don't. What do you do in your free time? I watch movies in my free time. Come on, let's practice it one more time. What is your hobby? My hobby is dancing. Do you like music? Yes, I like music. No, I don't like music. What do you do in your free time? I watch movies in my free time. So, learners, now let's talk about likes and dislikes. First, we'll talk about likes. I like tea. I like chocolate. I like English. I like rainy weather. Now, some dislike sentences. I don't like loud noise. I don't like waking up early. I don't like spicy food. I don't like wasting time. Now, let's talk about favorite things. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite color is blue. My favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan. My favorite game is cricket. My favorite subject is English. Now repeat all sentences. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite color is blue. My favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan. My favorite game is cricket. My favorite subject is English. Now, let's practice a small conversation. Conversation 1. Hello. Hello. What is your hobby? My hobby is singing. Do you like music? Yes, I do. Very nice. Next conversation. What do you do in your free time? I watch YouTube videos. What kind of videos do you like? I like English learning videos. Great. Now, speaking practice challenge. It's your turn. Pause the video and speak for 30 seconds on any topic. My hobbies, my favorite food, what I like and dislike, what I do in my free time. Don't fear about mistakes, just speak in English, okay? Now, there are some errors which need to be correct. Let's fix them. Don't say I like play cricket. Say I like playing cricket. Reason after like we usually use a verb plus ing form when talking about hobbies or activities like playing, like reading, like dancing. And don't say she don't like music. Say she doesn't like music. Because with he, she, it, we use doesn't, not don't. Example, I don't, you don't, she don't. Next one. Don't say my hobby are dancing. Say my hobby is dancing because hobby is singular, so we use is not are. Example, my hobby is singing, his hobby is painting. Next, don't say I enjoy music. Say this, I enjoy music because after subject I we use the base verb in simple present tense. For example, I enjoy, I play, I watch. Enjoying is used with helping verbs like I'm enjoying music. Keep practicing like this and speak confidently. So, learners, excellent everyone. Today you learned how to talk about your hobbies, likes, dislikes, and favorite things in English. Now you can speak more naturally in English. Remember, small daily practice creates big improvement. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep learning with Tabassum English Hub. See you in day 11.